Don't speak, I can't believe this is here happening. Our situation isn't right. Get real, who you playing with? I never thought he'd be like this. You were supposed to be there by my side. When you say that you want me, I just don't believe it. You're always ready to give up, but never turn around. But what if I need you, baby? Would you even try to save me? Or would you find some lame excuse to never be true? What if I said I love you? Would you be the one to run to? Or would you watch me walk away without a fight? I'm so sick of worrying that you're gonna quit over anything. I could trip and you'd let go like that. And everything that we ever were seems to fade, but not the hurt. 'Cause you don't know the good things from the bad. When I say that I want you, you know that I mean it. And in my hour of weakness, there's still time to try. But what if I need you, baby? Would you even try to save me? Or would you find some lame excuse to never be true? What if I said I love you? Would you be the one to run to? Or would you watch me walk away without a fight? Every time I speak, you try and stop me. 'Cause every little thing I say is wrong. You say you're noticing, but you never see. This is who I really am, that you can't believe. Makes me wanna know right now if it's me you live without, or would you change your mind? What if I need you? Before I fall too fast, kiss me quick, but make it last, so I can see how badly this will hurt me when you say goodbye. Keep it sweet, keep it slow. Let the future pass and don't let go. But tonight I could fall too soon under this beautiful moonlight. But you're so hypnotizing. You've got me laughing while I sing. You've got me smiling in my sleep. And I can see this unraveling. Your love is where I'm falling, but please don't catch me. See, this heart won't settle down, like a child running scared from a clown. I'm terrified of what you do. My stomach screams just when I look at you. Run far away so I can breathe, even though you're far from suffocating me. I can't set my hopes too high, 'cause every hello ends with a goodbye. But you're so hypnotizing. You've got me laughing while I sing. You've got me smiling in my sleep. this unraveling. Your love is where I'm falling, but please don't catch me. So now you see why I'm scared. I can't open up my heart without a care. But here I go, it's what I feel. And for the first time in my life I know it's real. But you're so hypnotizing. You've got me laughing while I sing. You've got me smiling in my sleep. And I can see this unraveling. Your love is where I'm falling, so please don't catch me. If this is love, please don't break me. I'm giving up, so just catch me. Everything's cool, yeah. It's all gonna be okay, yeah. And I know maybe I'll even laugh about it someday, but not today, no. 'Cause I don't feel so good. I'm tangled up inside. My heart is on my sleeve. Tomorrow is a mystery to me. And it might be wonderful, it might be magical, it might be everything I've waited for, a miracle. Oh, but even if I fall in love again with someone new, it can never be the way I loved you. Letting you go is making me feel so cold, yeah. And I've been trying to make believe it doesn't hurt, but that makes it worse, yeah. See, I'm a wreck inside. My tongue is tied and my whole body feels so weak.
Jde nejde na ten iPhone. Já bych si dala žvejkačku.
Kde to má Taure?
Všechny si blbněte.
Zavírá. Na 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 na.